Jai Hind everyone. You all are welcome in Cadet Coffee Times with ANO Preeti Swami. तो दोस्तों आज का जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट है वो उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो फ्रेंच में आगे बढ़ना चाहते हैं। हम अक्सर लैंग्वेज की बात करते हैं और हम सोचते हैं कि लैंग्वेज में हमें कौन सी लैंग्वेज लेनी चाहिए जो हमें आगे भी एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी के हिसाब से भी बहुत हेल्प करे। तो हमने सोचा कि क्यों ना अपना पॉडकास्ट उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बनाएं जो फ्रेंच को बहुत डीपली जानना चाहते हैं या उसको आगे अपनी लाइफ में लेके जाना चाहते हैं। तो आज का जो हमारा पॉडकास्ट है वो उसी पे है। तो आज इस पॉडकास्ट में हमारे सारे क्वेश्चंस को जो आंसर करने के लिए रिसोर्स पर्सन आई हैं वो हैं मिसेस विनती गौड़। वी वेलकम यू मैम।
थैंक यू।
सो मिसेस विनती गौड़ ने अपना मास्टर्स किया है ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट में और उसके साथ साथ अर्ली चाइल्डहुड केयर एजुकेशन में भी अपनी डिग्री हासिल की है। और अगर हम बात करें फ्रेंच की तो फ्रेंच में उन्होंने B2 लेवल तक अपनी क्वालिफिकेशन को लेते हुए अपनी जर्नी को इतना खूबसूरत बनाया है कि सारे सरप्राइजेस हम आपको आगे बताएंगे। वी वेलकम यू मैम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल।
थैंक यू।
सो मैम आई जस्ट वांटेड टू आस्क यू फर्स्ट थिंग कि हम जानते हैं कि लैंग्वेजेस हमारी लाइफ में बहुत सारी होती हैं। सो आप इंडिया में रह के आपने ये सिलेक्शन ऑफ लैंग्वेज कि वाई फ्रेंच, उसके बारे में प्लीज़ थोड़ा बताइए।
हाँ जी। So first of all, thank you Preeti ma'am for calling me on Cadet Coffee Times. I'm honored to be here and to tell my journey of French language, how I started. So I began my journey in 2004.
Okay.
Like as a profession, I started working since 2004, and since 2000 I began my learning French language.
ओके। सो मैम एक बात आती है कि चलो हमने सिलेक्शन कर ली तो बट एक उसके पीछे जो मोटिवेशन सोर्स होता है तो वो कौन था? बिकॉज आपकी जर्नी फ्रेंच से स्टार्ट तो हुई होगी, तो हु वाज दैट गाइडिंग लाइन बिहाइंड दैट?
हाँ जी। So actually I was doing my graduation final year.
ओके।
And what caught my eye, we all come from India with the diverse culture.
Very
We have
true.
languages, different culture in India, but what caught my eye was a foreign language, French.
ओके।
My motto was never that I want to master a language. I want to live a language. I want to embrace a culture and how romantically we write. So I started my journey with songs, with the
Okay.
French songs.
ओह
So I was in one of the concert, and I started listening to the songs, and there was a song called Champs-Élysées,
ओके।
and which caught my eye, that which language is this? I
Uh-huh.
want to learn.
हाँ।
And that's how I started. And in early 2000 it was very difficult to find a CD or a cassette, what we used to have that
Yes,
time,
at that
to
time.
find in a foreign language, that too. But as we grow up, so that now we have different tools for the children also. There are so many things. Google is there, you can translate, you can listen, you can learn.
या
So my journey just started with one song.
ओके। सो यू कैन सी कैडेट्स और जो भी स्टूडेंट्स हमारे सुन रहे हैं, सो आपके लिए कितनी अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी होती है कि लैंग्वेज ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको फोर्सफुली मिले, कभी आपका दिल कहता है और आप उससे जुड़ जाते हो। तो जब आपने डिसाइड किया कि हमने फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज को सीखना है तो व्हाट आर द लेवल्स एंड हाउ यू प्रोसीडेड एंड व्हिच इंस्टीट्यूशंस आर देयर?
Hanji. So see, in India there are a lot of institutions are there. So first we have Alliance Française.
Yes.
And there are other institutes also. Myself, I have done it from the university campus. I
Okay.
started my journey in 2002 when I did my diploma from the university campus itself.
Okay.
I did my education of French language, and we used to go to library to make notes, and we used to have that cassette for the pronunciation, for the grammar, dictionaries, because nowadays hardly I have seen children using dictionaries.
Very true. These days the Google
Google is the only
Chat
thing.
GPT and AI, they are too good these days.
Yes, but we used to go and we used to find out the book so that we can make some notes and all that. But now we have so many tools and platforms from where we can learn
Right.
language.
Okay.
And French language is a diverse. Like you can start from the early age.
Okay.
And I have my students I myself have taught to the students who I have started with the very basic words to a professional level.
ओके सो मैम
Because
यहाँ
it's a-
पे
हाँ जी।
आपको यहीं पे मैं छोटी सी बात ये पूछना चाहती हूँ कि व्हाट इज एक्चुअली एज लिमिट, व्हाट लाइक द चाइल्ड और द स्टूडेंट शुड बी एट व्हाट एज टू स्टार्ट दिस लैंग्वेज?
See, I will say, like, a passion is a guide.
ओके ओके
If you have a passion to learn,
ओके
that is your motivation and
Oh.
that is your guide.
ओके सो it doesn't
It
mean the
doesn't
class
matter
doesn't
a
matter.
class, age.
Okay.
I myself have taught children from the, as I have done my ECC, Early Childhood Care Education from Bombay. So I have taught toddlers also
Okay.
from 5 years, and yes, I have students like
the-
of my age also.
ओके ग्रेट सो इट मीन्स देखिए स्टूडेंट्स आपके लिए वो एज मैटर नहीं करता, आपका अगर पैशन आपका लव है उस लैंग्वेज के लिए सो यू कैन गो अहेड. नाउ द थिंग इज दैट सपोज इट इज नेसेसरी दैट द चाइल्ड शुड हैव दिस लैंग्वेज इन स्कूल, देन ओनली द चाइल्ड कैन लर्न?
No, not at all. Because nowadays there are, as I have told you, as a subject you get evolved with that.
Okay.
But if you want, if you really want to learn a language from the heart, you want to embrace a culture, you want to learn a new thing, there are a lot of platforms now these days.
Okay.
And myself, I started my teaching journey in 2004, but now I am teaching completely online.
Oh.
So during pandemic I started my own venture,
Okay.
Magique the French.
Okay.
And since then I'm happy, content, and I
Okay.
know what I'm doing.
Okay.
It's great. Yeah.
Great.
So, and not only mine, there are a lot of online platforms
Platforms
also,
also.
from
Okay.
where you can learn, and it is like wherever you are. It's not like that you can learn from at one place.
Mhm.
You can move, because as my husband is in a transferable job, I keep moving places. So for me, it was difficult sometimes to settle down with a
Okay.
house, find out a profession, find out a place that, you know, where I'm going to,
yes.
teach, where which school is good, because you don't know the cities also many
Yes.
of the times. So it's your that,
Yeah.
as I said, your passion is your guide.
Okay. So now next question which comes in my mind is related to the students only. Once the child has decided, suppose when the child is in class 5 and she decided to take this as an subject. So whenever we go for any institution, so what are the levels? Means in how many years one level is crossed, then what is the
Okay.
next level? I want to know about
Hanji.
that.
So like in French language, it starts from we call it A1.
Okay, A1.
A1. So A1 is a basic level where you learn how to speak with the basic communication. What we say, if we want to buy something, just
Okay.
wanted to ask how are you. This is a basic level. Now A1, A2, and then further we have levels. But now this is divided into A1 Preem,
Okay.
which is for the like 8 to 11 years old,
Okay.
and then A1 Junior,
Okay. Okay.
right? And then we have A1 Adult.
Oh, okay.
So this is by age it is classified.
Okay, okay.
So if a child wants to learn, wants to, now there is an exam called DELF.
Okay.
Now this gives you a certificate from the Ministry of the French Education.
Okay.
DELF is Diplôme l'étude de français. So it is a
Okay.
diploma in French language, which French Ministry gives you the certificate. It's
Oh.
an international certificate.
Okay.
So no matter you are teaching someone or I am teaching someone or a child is learning a language from the school, that's a subject. But this exam gives you the 4 basic parameters on which the child is supposed to give this exam, and child gets an international certificate, which is just another feather in the hat, that child feels happy that I have done something, I have achieved.
Okay.
And this is your lifelong certificate.
Okay.
It does not have any it is valid only for 3 months or 4 months. It's
like,
yes.
Okay, but to achieve this, you have to do A2 level.
Yes, you have to study that the first A1. If you are clear with the A1,
A2.
then you study for the A2.
And then you can give the DELF exam.
Yes.
And what about after that DELF?
After DELF, you can evolve yourself. They're like, again, now in the corporate sectors, we have many French companies which are here in
Yes.
India nowadays. You can work as a translator,
Okay.
as an educator you can work, and a lot of companies have there are many positions for the French. If you have done your B1 or B2 level, there are many other positions also in media and journalism.
Okay.
It's not only that
Yes.
corporate media and journalism,
Mhm.
mass media, mass communication. Yes, so children nowadays they are too much inclination towards the humanities side.
Okay, okay. So they can opt for it.
They can opt
So
for
you can
it.
see very well, students and parents, that this particular podcast is giving you this brief info also, that when we opt for French subject doesn't mean that you have to go to France only. You can do
Yes.
something staying in India also. There are so many options where you can explore your employability also. So the first thing which I have come to know through you is that in language the levels are important. And if the child wanted to learn till only A1, A2 and DELF, that is more than enough, and she want to get, or he want to take this certificate and go abroad, I think that is also an
Yes.
asset for the
So,
child.
if a child is going to Canada,
Yeah.
like francophonic countries,
Yes.
where you get points if you know the French language.
Okay.
So there, if you have done the certificate, and
Yeah.
by chance you're moving outside the country, and if it is a French-speaking country, the child will definitely get some extra points
Okay.
in the procedure of admission, because we
Yes.
are Indians, we are going there, we have to adopt their culture. So if we have decided to move, we are ready to adopt, so it's why not to start learning from the India itself and get
Yes.
that certificate, because this certificate is valid
All
throughout,
over.
yes,
Okay.
everywhere.
Okay. And I just wanted to ask the duration, as you told us that there are A1, A2 level, DELF, B1, B2 level. So what are the duration level of this?
So first of all, duration is 2 months for
Okay.
A1, 2 to 3 months.
Okay.
Similarly for A2 also 3 months.
Okay.
B1, B2 are a little longer, which takes 6 months or an year.
Okay.
Now it depends on your learning.
Mhm.
How fast learner you are. आप
Okay.
कितनी जल्दी grasp कर रहे हैं.
Okay. Okay.
Accordingly, you can learn and
Learn.
give the exam.
Okay, it's not that particular time. If the person is ready to do a language and excel, like तो ये बात होगी कि आपने फटाफट टेस्ट कर लिया, तो आपके पास दूसरा टेस्ट है, आप दूसरा
हाँ
अप्लाई
जी,
कर
तो
सकते
अगर आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं, nothing
Okay.
like it कि आप पढ़ते जाइए और एग्जाम देते जाइए.
Okay, great. So देखिए cadets, students and parents and whosoever is listening to this podcast, कि ये जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें उस पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज का होना इसलिए इम्पॉर्टेंट है कि हमें एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी भी हो, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ अगर हम देखें मैम कि एक स्किल भी लगता है आपको, किसी के सामने आप कह सकते हो हाँ या आई नो फ्रेंच ऑल्सो, सो इट गिव यू अलग तरह का कॉन्फिडेंस आता है कि यस शी स्टैंड आउट अमंग द अदर्स. सो इट्स जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको वो किसी चीज़ के लिए आपको हासिल ही करना है, एज अ यू हैव टू ऐड इन योर रिज्यूमे और यू वांट टू ऐड इट एज अ स्किल ऑल्सो. आई थिंक दैट
Yes.
आल्सो
I just started as a passion to learn
Yeah.
a language, to
Okay.
embrace a beauty,
Yeah.
how musically, romantically French
That's what-
languages.
yeah.
But slowly, gradually, I was just evolved and immersed in the language completely.
ओके नाउ मैम, अब हमें ये क्लियर हो गया कि उसका लेवल क्या है. अब हम थोड़ा डीपर क्वेश्चन में जाते हैं कि इस लैंग्वेज को देखिए, जैसे हिंदी है हम बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, हिंदुस्तान में रहते हैं, इंग्लिश भी बच्चे को कंपलसरी कहीं ना कहीं से बचपन से ही कर दी जाती है, बट फ्रेंच क्योंकि वो चाहे वो अर्ली एज में भी लेता है तो घर में तो उसका माहौल होता नहीं है. सो उस चाइल्ड के लिए मोटिवेशन कैसा हो कि वो किस तरह से उसको लर्न करे, क्योंकि वो लैंग्वेज सिर्फ वही सीख रहा है, घर वाले तो सीख नहीं रहे हैं. सो व्हाट आर दोज बेबी स्टेप्स विच द
हाँ
चाइल्ड
जी.
शुड टेक?
So, Preeti ma'am, here actually this is a very interesting question. जो अब parents when स्कूल में तो ले लिया हमने फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज क्योंकि बच्चे को फ्रेंच सीखनी है,
Correct.
बट नाउ अब पढ़ाएं कैसे? what should be the like way of learning? So very proudly I can say I have helped a lot of students over a globe, like not only in India, I have
Yeah.
my students outside India also.
Okay.
And I'm happy to share my knowledge with them, and even I am learning from them every time. So it is like if child wants to learn, parents just can help that child to learning in a correct way.
Okay.
By helping with the YouTube videos we have now these days. We have a lot of applications on a Google. We have Duolingo, which is very famous application.
Yes, I also know, ma'am. Yeah, it's a good one. Huh? Yeah.
Hanji. So Duolingo is there, and the Memrise is another which I feel it's a very good one.
Okay.
There is one more, TV5 Sank. So
Okay.
TV5.
Okay, TV5.
TV5
And
is
you have
also
to just download from the place?
just download it
Okay.
and just enjoy and learn French. आई एम श्योर आप भी ले सीख
बिल्कुल
जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल, मेरे को लगता है इस पॉडकास्ट के एंड होते होते मुझे भी कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि मैं भी अपने स्किल में इसको ऐड कर सकती हूँ.
हाँ
सो सी द
जी।
स्टूडेंट्स, इट्स सो इजी दैट वंस यू हैव एनरोल, बट आपने इंपॉर्टेंट बात क्या है उसको प्रैक्टिस में लाना. अब होता क्या है स्टूडेंट्स की, हम जिनसे भी हम पढ़ते हैं वो कुछ देर के लिए हैं, 1 घंटे आप वहाँ पे इंस्टीट्यूशन में जा सकते हो, बट उस लैंग्वेज को अपना बनाने के लिए आपको कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ेगा. जैसे मैम ने राइटली कहा, टूल्स हैं हमारे पास जो भी मैम ने आपको बताए हैं, उसको डाउनलोड कीजिए. और जो टाइम हम स्क्रॉल करने में और चीज़ों में लगते हैं, आई थिंक इसको भी अगर हम हाफ एन आवर डेली दें तो वो आपकी.
मैम हाफ एन आवर भी ज्यादा है, 10 मिनट्स इफ यू जस्ट प्रैक्टिस।
ओके, इट्स सो इजी.
यस,
Okay.
15 मिनट्स, बिकॉज उससे ज्यादा हम मेरा ही इंटरेस्ट नहीं रहेगा। बच्चे
Oh.
को तो मैं क्या ही बोलूंगी, बच्चा भी बोर हो जाएगा, बट इट इज जस्ट इक्वली लाइक अ प्लेइंग अ गेम.
Oh.
हाउ यू गेट एडिक्टेड टू गेम्स ऑन
Okay.
phone and we play and we enjoy. It has got the levels.
Okay, in Duolingo I have seen
Yes,
also that
it
there
is
is
a
language.
level and you feel good. As an adult also we feel good when
Good.
someone says bravo,
Oh.
wonderful. So
Okay.
it's always a nice thing.
ओके, सो देखिए क्या है कि एक स्टूडेंट को इंस्टीट्यूशन भी मिल गया और उसके बाद उसने अपने भी कर ली, अपना प्रैक्टिस भी कर रहा है, लेकिन घर में वो अगर वो ऐप के थ्रू करता है तो उसकी और ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस होती है. अब मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहती हूँ कि इसको करने के बाद आपने एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी तो बता दी, उसके साथ साथ जैसे आपने अपने करियर को लिया, सो वो करियर ऑप्शन में ऐसे हम ऑनलाइन जैसे आपने किया उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए आप.
So actually, my first job for me also it came as a surprise.
Okay.
I was not ready to work.
Yeah.
That time I was doing my masters in human resource development, and I was enrolled in the French language also in the university campus. That time I was doing my diploma. So
Okay.
as a rule, you cannot do the degree, 2 degrees together.
Together.
So I have to take admission in diploma, advanced diploma. I did it from the university campus. So when I was doing that, in my like place where I was staying in Meerut that time, so there was a school, DPS was
Okay.
open, and they were looking for the French language teacher, and they
Oh.
came to our department, and my HOD has said, "Okay, yes, we have a good student, you can take her."
Okay.
So my HOD just called me up that
And you started it.
Venti, just go and give an interview. So I'm
Okay.
like, sir, interview? Why?
Okay.
For what?
Okay.
So I went for my first interview with my mom.
Okay.
With
Yeah.
my mom, I went for my first interview, and it was like, yes, we know you are a student, so can you come just 3 days a week and
And
you
what
can
was your
teach?
age at that time?
I was that time I was 21.
21.
हाँ
Oh my
जी.
God. Wow, in at very early age you started it. So देखिए कि हम अगर अपने टीचिंग प्रोफेशन में जाना चाहते हैं, so ये भी एक ऑप्शन हमारे पास आता है कि you can go ahead. Why I'm asking this question of online thing from you, that how you proceeded it, because I want to give an option to the students and whosoever,
Yes.
even to parents also, or even to teachers, whosoever is listening, कि you can do it as a part-time job also, isn't it?
Yes.
If you learn this subject
Yeah.
and you learn this language, and then whatever you are in profession, if you can give few hours online, I think they can be a source for
That's what
others.
happened with me. Like as I said, it was my first job was a surprise for me as well.
Yes.
So I started working, and I
Okay.
started that time. My last final year also came of the, and I have to do my internship, my classes, my internship, and my job.
Oh my
So I
God.
was doing too
All
many
these
things all
together.
together.
But after doing everything, then you decided that now I have to be on this path.
Yes, no. For some time, I worked as worked in a bank. I
Okay.
worked in a IPGCL also.
Okay.
So I have taken HR as my main thing because
Okay.
I did my masters in that.
Yeah.
But yes, once I was married, then again I was into
This
teaching.
language.
Yes,
Okay.
French language.
So, ma'am, what is your suggestion for the listeners who are watching this, कि उनको अगर ये लैंग्वेज आ जाती है तो किस तरह से इस लैंग्वेज को यूज कर सकते हैं अपनी लाइफ में?
See, as I said, for the students who are learning French, there are many platforms after the language. It is just not like to become a teacher. There are the teaching professions which are there for you. You can join corporate. Like if MBA plus language, any foreign language is a very good option and a very good choice also, I will say. Lot of children today they're inclined towards the mass communication and journalism. There again you add another feather on your hat, and it's like it's a very there are people are there who are looking for you with a foreign language, and learning a language, knowing a language, living a language with it, and embracing yourself into it, it's a very good option. Media, journalism, content, you're writing something,
Hmm.
up to you. I mean, it's just not only, it has a wide
Okay.
range, I'll say. It is just not that what we think ki, and there are parents की फ्रेंच क्या करोगे फ्रेंच सीख के, हम तो
Exactly.
घर में फ्रेंच नहीं बोलते हैं,
हाँ,
तुमको
yes.
क्या करना है,
Yes.
but it is not, it is like, and child's brain is the fastest thing, if you know.
Oh.
Child will learn, and I know my students like जिनको शायद मैंने सिर्फ I have a summer camp, जिनको शायद मैंने ऐसे 10 दिन या 12 दिन पढ़ाया है, but whenever they see me they're like bonjour. So
Okay.
this teacher is bonjour ma'am. They know
Ah.
my name as a bonjour ma'am.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
उनके मतलब मेमोरी है कि okay, there are few things which actually bonjour, komusawa,
हाँ.
they know.
Yes. Yes.
शायद वो उसका मीनिंग भूल जाएंगे,
But
बट
they-
उनको याद रहेगा कि
कि मैं
हाँ,
connect-
दिस आई नो इन फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज
Oh.
बिकॉज मैंने सीखा था.
मैम आपने अभी बात करी समर स्कूल की या समर कैंप की, सो आई थिंक इट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड ऑप्शन टू एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर दिस लैंग्वेज फॉर फ्यू days and then to connect with the language.
Yes.
Yes.
So you can do the any summer camp. You
Okay.
can do. You can, as I said, the tools, platforms. So many things are there on the
Okay.
internet nowadays.
ओके मैम, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस लैंग्वेज, सो इसमें आपने बताया कि हमें इसको प्रैक्टिस तो करनी है, उसके बाद हम जो डेली जैसे हम बच्चे को इंग्लिश सिखाते थे, तो उसमें भी ये कहते थे कि छोटी छोटी बातों को ट्राई टू कम्युनिकेट इन इंग्लिश,
हाँ
इसको
जी।
इंग्लिश में बोलो, खाना जो खा रहे हो उसकी सारी प्रोनाउंसिएशन इंग्लिश में करो, तो मेरे को लगता है वही चीज़ हमें एज ए फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज में भी करनी है.
हो
यू हैव
जाता
टू
है.
लिव दैट लैंग्वेज.
Live that language, and it is like very much कि when I am Indian, हम लोग हिंदी में सोचते हैं,
Correct.
हिंदी में बोलते हैं,
Correct.
but there are times जब मैं फ्रेंच लिख रही होती हूँ, इंग्लिश बोल रही हूँ और दिमाग में हिंदी चल रहा है.
ओह माय गॉड. ओह
Completely
ओके.
different.
यस.
और ये होता है बिकॉज कुछ भी है, and sometimes like it's a very funny thing what happened with me. So मैं अपने इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़ा के निकली, and yes, I'm a housewife. मैं घर आ रही थी, I have to buy fruit. तो ऑरेंज को हम ऑरेंज बोलते हैं.
ओके.
Orange.
या.
तो मेरे मुंह से एकदम से ऐसे ही निकला, भैया ये ऑरेंज कितने का है?
And
So
then
then-
yes.
then when I'm like, okay, then when he gave me a smile कि मैडम को ऑरेंज बोलना नहीं आता है,
Yeah.
like ऑरेंज, मैडम ऑरेंज. मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, संतरा दे दो.
yes, because you are very right मैम, because जो हमारी जो कंडीशनिंग हुई है माइंड की, वो हिंदी, इंग्लिश और फ्रेंच अगर आ जाएगी तो तीनों लैंग्वेज में
You
बोल
are
जाएगी.
multilingual. When I'm
Yeah.
writing my notes are like, I think coded notes because
Yeah.
they are English, Hindi, French. Nobody can read my messages also.
Oh yeah, that is also plus point, of learning the different language, because हिंदी इंग्लिश तो सब पढ़ लेते हैं, बट ये लैंग्वेज भी आपका बहुत हेल्प करती है. मैम अब जाते जाते आपका कोई मैसेज, आई थिंक इफ यू कैन गिव इट इन फ्रेंच लैंग्वेज दैट विल बी बेटर. यू कैन लेटर ऑन ट्रांसलेट इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश, अप टू यू. बट अगर आपसे हम कुछ वो फ्रेंच का मैसेज आपसे लें कि
yes.
फॉर आवर स्टूडेंट्स और whosoever is listening this podcast.
Okay, so see, my cadets, I'm sure that you all are learning, you all are inclined towards learning new things daily. So just develop a habit of learning any new thing, at least in a day, in a 2 days. Start learning something new which will help you. And I'm sure we all have phones in our hands. Use it for a correct thing. Just try to learn 5 new words today. That's it, and try to use it. So in French we say vouloir c'est pouvoir. So it's like where there is a will, there is a way.
Okay.
So it says vouloir c'est pouvoir. So if you want, you can do it. So no matter you're coming from where, what, or I think everybody is enough for themselves. And as I said, your passion is your guide. If you
Yes.
are really dedicated towards doing something, you will definitely achieve it.
Thank you so much, Vinti ma'am, for coming for our podcast.
Merci beaucoup, Preeti.
Okay, thank you so much to all our listeners and viewers for watching till the end. See you next time in our next podcast. Till then, Jai Hind.